When we go some boom now, see? Bodyguard. When we go some boom and we go play. We play bodyguard. We have bodyguard play a big jail now. Be a fucker then. We have a next dance to them all over now. So through the boy them have a whole heap of bounty killer. Buggy I said, show up, we have a vice bounty. I have a vice bounty now, man. 1 week I look for one blood clot killer him. Killer go some boom man. Say yeah, I go vice, more vice. So you see there now when killer for vice now, no killer. Saturday and the dance on Sunday. Boy, I give up and say no killer no vice now, Buggy the pan. Show up. Call him. I Buggy the man. When me down, I Buggy the man keep carrying the thing. I Buggy. You know, Buggy. Blood clot Buggy. Everything I Buggy.
See him now? I'm the man.
So, Buggy said, Chupa, call him around 7 o'clock in the night. I call killer answered. Blood clot, we are calling for this hour. When I come studio, I play, and I bite up himself. I'm said, DJ, we have a vice here, you know, because when a vice, we are going dead. We need your DJ, you are going to make a win. Oh, and so we look at one song and I say, all right, in my forward. He said to me, say, I bring 2 youth them. Come.
Elephant them and touch.
Saying, some woman come and show. Our first bomber clad sound on the face I heard get the killer we say. Them offend we and them know them should not try. No give me no this. No take and no buy boys. We vice by murder. Gung. We first buy that jar up. Cause it just write it. And the song we say, some say man look and them never see who shall inherit the earth they make. But cause Satan want this guy like we first vice that blood clad. 3 songs man doing. And we play the taxi with him now. What you want on that? Say you say anything where you never say, not even marry a little lamb. I say, man, some boy I could tell you straight, man, Jah will kill you. Say, what you say a while ago? Some boy I tell you straight, Jah will kill you. And ready, play and done, he said, play back. Or 3 times I said, come, ready. I said, where the mighty come out, Ricky Troop with the range, Ray and blah. So Paul, let me tell you this straight, Jaro, we kill you, go and cool down plate, we are going to use and abuse your sound. Tell Jaro, here's a back. We fight the song and let you cut you and the man will come with him doing 1 song. Lord Clark, now, gonna dance now, you know. A papa goes land and chill on, you know. Buggy has a chopper. Sit down on the street, killer. Chopper, no, hey. Chopper, not even look at the plate there. So we wire them and bodyguard, wire dance and links up a bodyguard.
Bodyguard, that's something of them slave.
Bodyguard, that's something of them slave. But we, as a killer, we soon tell you how. So we got some woman. Bodyguard run killer, you know, but once a buggy has a chopper, you know, so the boy and the vice killer don't burn out them one day.
So them don't have them.
So them have them, you know. So hold on upon them. So them are wire dancer, we're wire dancer, we're wire dancer. So here come now gear, them look a bumbo clat to come talk about sound. They know if you kill sound. Buggy said chopper. But if you go play one dead round, there's a dead round coming and clash now. I want them to talk to blood clat him. They me and them from base of the sea. I mean I tell them about dead round. They don't even know about them things. I go tell you next time I tell them too. See, we may go back to that. Some secret way. Now we can't make them know about it because we pass them stage. See? We got some boom.
New generation are coming.
No, they know them something happen. See? But I never share with Damien what they because he never know. Because I make Damien and them go do something because them don't. But I top clash from rich now. See, we can't tell them.
Now we have a generation coming out too.
Then you know what I say?
A new generation.
When the boy them go so boom and bust it down, so we bust it down and Buggy say, come with the dead round now. So dead round now is that round where you play, you know, you play bad song, but we're not talking, you know. And that's why we play murder. Gung. Saying, Atmil, saying, and Cabra, pussy fit dead from the program, get this. Rude boy, be a bad song, pan it, you know. But we're not talk too hard.
Dance a boss,
but we're not taking forward, you know. So when the round I don't know, like we play like one 2 bad song and bring them in. So when the next song comes, we just play a half hour, they are dead. They have to start from scratch and build it back. Yeah. Think they now no momentum for run pan. So by the time them reach and build it back now, we go some boom and get here and run. But the thing is,
them play them surprise.
Yes, but the thing is, in that round we always play one certain hours. So we know so when we play the last round, dance done.